Have you ever wondered if a computer could think like a human? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and science fiction writers for decades. In 1950, the brilliant mathematician Alan Turing proposed a test, a kind of game, to answer this very question. He called it the imitation game, but we know it better as the Turing Test. The test is simple, really. Imagine a human judge having a conversation with two hidden entities, another human and a machine. If the judge can't tell which one is the machine, then the machine has passed the Turing test. It has, in essence, demonstrated human-like intelligence. For years, the Turing test stood as a monumental challenge, a sort of Everest for artificial intelligence. Passing it was seen as the Holy Grail, proof that machines could truly think. And now, GPT-4, a large language model developed by OpenAI, has done just that. GPT-4, remember that name, it's going to be big. Think of it as the latest and greatest in a long line of computer programs trying to understand and mimic human language. But GPT-4 is different. It's light years ahead of anything we've seen before. Developed by the clever folks at OpenAI, GPT-4 is a powerful engine for understanding and generating human-like text. Feed it a prompt, a question, or even just a fragment of an idea, and it can churn out paragraphs, essays, even entire screenplays that would make Shakespeare proud, or perhaps just a tad jealous. But GPT-4 isn't just about churning out text, it's about understanding, about context, about nuance. And that's what makes its success in the Turing test so significant. Back in 1950, long before the internet and smartphones were even a twinkle in someone's eye, Alan Turing, a British mathematician and codebreaker extraordinaire, posed a fascinating question. Can machines think? Turing, never one for straightforward answers, devised a clever thought experiment. He imagined a judge engaging in a text-based conversation with two hidden participants, a human and a machine. The judge's task? To determine which one was the human based solely on their responses. This, Turing argued, was the key. If a machine could communicate so convincingly that it could fool a human into thinking it was another human, then for all intents and purposes, it was exhibiting intelligent behavior. Section 4, GPT-4 cracks the code how it fooled the judges. So how did GPT-4, this whiz-kid of the AI world, manage to pull the wool over the judges' eyes? Well, it wasn't magic, though it might seem that way. GPT-4 was trained on a colossal dataset of text and code. We're talking billions and billions of words, articles, books, even the entire internet, or a good chunk of it anyway. This massive data binge allowed GPT-4 to develop an astonishingly sophisticated understanding of language, grammar, and even the nuances of human conversation. It learned to recognize patterns, predict responses, and even mimic the subtle quirks of human expression. During the Turing test, GPT-4's responses were so natural, so engaging, so convincingly human, that the judges simply couldn't tell the difference. Section 5. The future unfolds. AI after the Turing test. Now that a machine has officially passed the Turing test, what does it mean for the future? Are we on the cusp of a new era where AI becomes our equal, our partner, or perhaps even our competitor? The possibilities are both thrilling and a tad unnerving. Imagine AI assistants that can not only schedule your appointments, but also offer insightful advice or write a sonnet in your honor. Imagine AI scientists collaborating on groundbreaking discoveries, or AI artists creating masterpieces that rival the works of the great masters. But with great power comes great responsibility, as they say. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we must tread carefully, considering the ethical implications of creating machines that can think for themselves. Section 6. A brave new world. Our responsibilities in the age of thinking machines. GPT-4. Passing the Turing test is a momentous achievement, a giant leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence. It's a testament to human ingenuity, our relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But it's also a wake-up call, a reminder that we are entering a new era, one where the line between human and machine is becoming increasingly blurred. As we venture into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution, with a deep sense of responsibility and perhaps even a touch of wonder. The future is here, and it's up to us to shape it wisely.